Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Zzz Headband. First, launch the Roblox game and find the Sleep Obby experience. Once inside, you'll begin your journey through a series of dreamlike obstacles. Focus on carefully traversing each section, avoiding any pitfalls. Make sure to reach the first checkpoint quickly. This will save your progress and prevent you from restarting from the very beginning if you fall. As you progress, you'll encounter more challenging sections, including floating platforms and bouncy clouds. Take your time and observe the patterns before making your moves. Keep an eye out for a subtle, hidden path often found near the giant pillow obstacle. This shortcut can save you valuable time. Remember to collect at least 5 dream shards as you go, as these are crucial for later steps. Once you've successfully navigated the dream world and collected enough shards, you'll arrive at the final sleep chamber. Here, you'll see a glowing Zzz pedestal. Approach it and interact to claim your prize. The Zzz Headband will automatically be added to your Roblox inventory, ready for you to equip and show off your accomplishment. Congratulations on completing the challenge. To recap, patience and precise jumps are key to mastering the Sleep Obby. Don't forget to use those checkpoints to your advantage, saving your progress and making the journey less frustrating. If you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your Zzz Headband.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.